This video shows how to use Journals A to Z to find a specific journal or article. Journals A to Z is located on Montclair's library homepage, just below the search box, between the Databases button and the Research Guides. Type the name of the journal, magazine, or newspaper you are interested in the search bar. Search. If the library has the publication, look under the words Full Text Access, and you will see a list of databases that carry the journal with their dates of coverage. You may also see records of other formats, such as print or microfilm. Make a selection from the available links. At this point, you can either search within the publication or find the issue that you want to browse. I'm looking for a 2022 article from Psychology of Aesthetics, Creativity, and the Arts on feeling chills when you listen to music. Here's the citation. We're looking for Volume 16, Issue Number 1. After entering the journal title, I look under the Access link to make sure we have access to the right year. The dates run from 2006 to the present, and we want 2022, so we have access. I click on the EBSCO link in blue and then browse by year, volume, etc. to get to the article. 2022, Volume 6, Issue 1, page 74. Here it is. My access options are PDF or online full text. Many, if not most, journals withhold online access to recently published issues in what is called a full-text delay or embargo. If the article you want was published in that period, you can request it through the Interlibrary Loan Service. For example, if I need something from the New England Journal of Medicine, all these databases, with the exception of the microfilm, cover the journal up to the present. Yet all of them have a full text delay of 3 months. Here's a recently published article. We're looking for volume number 393, issue number 17. Volume 393, issue 17, show issue contents. Here it is. I see the article abstract and a few other things, but not the full text because we're still in the embargo period. I'm okay with the abstract for now, but if I wanted the full text, I could get the relevant information, author, title, etc., up here, and use it to fill out the interlibrary loan form, which is accessible through the library homepage. Here and here. The wait is 1 to 2 days. Now suppose I want an article from a journal and I don't know the article date. Maybe I don't even know the article title, just the subject. Type in the journal name. Select a viable workable database under Full Text Access. You'll come to a page for your journal with, among other things, the prompt, search within this publication. Search for an article title or for a keyword in the title. A final example. Let's go to the American Economic Review. I see a number of access links. Here I see present and an embargo of 2 years. I want an article published this year about house prices. I search within the publication for the phrase house prices. This button here, Request Item through Interlibrary Loan, indicates that I won't get full text when I click on the title. I see details, I see an abstract, and the interlibrary loan option up here. The form is largely filled out, which is convenient. In conclusion, when you have a journal in mind, you can search for the title in Journal Zeta Z. Then you can browse the journal or look up a particular article. If you have questions related to Journal Zeta Z or anything else research related, contact Montclair Libraries through one of the Ask a Librarian links located on the library homepage.